Hey guys, welcome. Welcome to Mad Science today. My name is Mr. Kevin from the Washington Park Library. Did you see that? I had a big mirror there. Today we're going to be discussing light and optics, which is the science of light. And we're going to make a backyard microscope. Super easy and fun craft, and it's perfect to get you outside today on a beautiful day. So, let's go over what we'll need for the craft. We need one container. This is a yogurt container, empty of course. Okay, something like this. Could use an ice cream container, sour cream container, anything like that, but something that's plastic or paper, something that you can cut. Secondly, we're going to need some scissors, okay, a rubber band, some saran wrap or plastic wrap, and some water. All right, so let's just hop on in. You guys excited? Yeah, me too. I love doing these types of crafts. They're so much fun. So what we're going to do is take our scissors and we're going to just cut the top of the container off. All right. So if you have any difficulty with this, please ask a parent to help. But we're just going to cut the top off of the container. Super easy, like this, nice and easy. Hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying the weather. I am. Bam. Just like that, easy. All right, just trim it up just a little. We don't want any sharp edges. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now this is going to be the body of our backyard microscope. Now we want to cut an area where we can use for display or to access the interior of the microscope. So we're going to cut a line about right here, all the way over. Getting through that edge is a little more difficult, but just put in a little. There we go. Perfect. All right. You guys can see that? Okay, we have our cutout. Can you see? And if we were to do this, okay, perfect. So cut that out, just like that. All right. Now, very easy. I'm going to take our saran wrap. Okay, I'm going to put it over the top like this. Okay, and then stretch the rubber band around. Okay. Now that we have the rubber band, you want to start the rubber band a little bit lower on the container, a little bit lower here, as you can see. Okay, and then we just want to gently press in on the plastic, but not far enough. There we go. Okay, so now you could see, put almost a finger in. Okay, and then that's going to hold. Okay, and I'm going to actually cut away some of this extra saran wrap here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we have the plastic and a little bit of a divot on the top. Okay, super easy. And we have our cutaway, as you can see, the cutaway here. Okay, now I'm going to take some water. Now, anytime you use water in a craft surface, I always suggest having a dish rag or something that you can wipe an area up with, and please don't have any electronics. Don't leave your phone out or your computer. let's work smart. So have a clear workspace, and just so we don't get water on anything, all right? All right, so now what we do is just take our water and then gently pour it in the top. And it'll pool in the middle. Okay. And essentially, we are done. Now, what do you use something like this for? Well, it's a magnifier. So you can go outside, take a walk, and find different things that are outside that you want to see a little bit closer. You want them magnified, get bigger underneath. So I got a couple of things today. I got this pine cone. I got this branch of plum cherry blossom flowers. I also got a dandelion flower. And then I got this cool seed covering. See how fine that looks? Yeah. So these are all cool things that I'd like to see a little bit more of. So I'm going to put them in the backyard microscope. And if you put it in here and you look through, oh yeah, you can adjust. The lower it goes, the bigger it gets. Oh, that is so cool. You can kind of see the inside of the flower, the pistil and the stamen, and a close-up of all the little petals. So cool. Let's try the pine cone. Okay, again, put it underneath. Oh yeah. You can see the inside. Oh, all the cool, unique edges to the pine cone. So cool. All right, let's try the flower. Oh yeah, you can see the inside of the flower, all the little small center petals of the flower. Oh, it's really neat. Let's try this seed pod. Oh yeah, you can see up close. Oh, so neat. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the phone, the video, and I'm going to bring this over here, and then I'm going to slide over. I made another water magnifier earlier, right here. Just going to gently slide this over. This one's out of an ice cream container, as you can see. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to grab the video and just show you a close-up of how it looks on my end. So we'll put the flowers in here, just so you guys get an idea of what it looks like when you make it at home. Put a couple different things underneath. Okay, and then there. You can make these out of any container, and there's just so much fun. Just a lot of fun, and it gets you outside, which is really what you need on a beautiful day like today. Now, also, if you don't have an opportunity to go outside, no big deal. You got plenty of stuff around the house that you can put in the magnifier. For example, coins. Any coin that you find around the house, you can read all the small writing. I got a little Lego guy here. Put him in. You can see his up close, his features. Put one of the coins in here. So yeah, you don't have to go outside, but I suggest it. So let's grab the video and let's take a look. All right. Oops, and there we go. And there we go. Cool. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Again, super simple craft. Thanks for coming to Mad Science with Washington Park Library. Please check out all of our videos on the YouTube channel for Providence Community Library. And then visit us at our Facebook site on Washington Park or Providence Community Library. Thanks again for joining me. Have a great day, guys. See you later.